Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today we're making this avocado salad that is packed with nutritious veggies. It's super healthy, packed with flavor, and a delicious way to enjoy your vegetables. You only need a few ingredients for this recipe. It's super easy to make, so let's get started. Okay guys, we are using some nutritious ingredients for the salad. I have some avocados here. You want to make sure they are ripe but not too soft, that way they can hold their shape. I also have some cherry tomatoes. These are great for salads because of their sweet flavor. There's a cucumber hanging over there, and I love me some dill because it helps reduce cholesterol and it has so many health benefits. Alright, I'm going to grab my knife and start chopping. First, I'm chopping the cucumber into sizable cubes like these. Go ahead and transfer them into a big mixing bowl. Then we're going to cut up the cherry tomatoes. You can leave the tomatoes whole if you prefer, or cut them into halves like this. Go ahead and toss them into your mixing bowl. Next, I'm cutting half of a red onion. Make sure you cut this into thin slices because you don't want to bite into a huge chunk of onion. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to cut the avocado. Use your knife to slice through the avocado lengthwise, then twist it open. Next, grab the pit with your knife and pull it out. Then you can slice it and peel the skin off. Next, you're going to cut them up and add them to your bowl. We're also adding the juice of a whole lemon. Squeeze that in. Then cut up the dill and toss that right in. I'm going to crush in 1 garlic clove for additional flavor. Drizzle some olive oil all over this, then season with salt and pepper. Go ahead and toss everything together, then let this sit in the fridge and marinate for 30 minutes to get flavorful. Then it is ready to be enjoyed. This salad is so good. You can enjoy on its own or serve with grilled chicken or croutons. If you guys want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I'll see you soon. Bye.